Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Udoh, and every week I share content that can help you master your personal finance and grow your wealth. Now, in today's video, we're going to look at New Year's resolutions. Today happens to be December 31st, so I don't know when you're going to watch this video, but as of the shooting of this video, today is the last day of December 2021. And it's one of those days where people come up with New Year's resolutions, and I just wanted to find out from you guys, or you all, should you have a New Year's resolution? And please stay tuned till the end of this video, and you get my own take on that. So now that we've got that out of the way, so now the past couple years has been a very stressful one due to the situation that we're still going through, and it has taken a toll on many people's lives. So since today happens to be the last day of 2021, a lot of people have high hopes for 2022, whereby we all come up with our New Year's resolutions. So for me, I just want to give you my own take on making resolutions. So there are three important areas of your life that you need to consider when it comes to making your, setting up your goals for 2022. Number one has to do with your health. Okay, we have to take our health seriously. With the events that's been happening lately, it's paramount that you have to take your health seriously and make sure that you are in good shape. So which means, working out every day. You don't necessarily have to join a gym, but you can go for walks, you can go for runs, you can do all sorts of things. You can get equipment in your home if you have space for that. You have to take your health seriously because your health is all you have. And a lot of people lost their lives. A lot of people are still struggling from the health crisis we're still going through. So you have to take your health seriously, which means things like your diet. Don't get me wrong, I'm not a health guru. I'm in the same boat like you, struggling to get myself in shape, going to the gym and stuff like that. So you have to, spend, as part of your resolution for 2022, your health should rank number one. Okay, you need to make sure you have a plan for your health, a plan for your diet, a plan for exercise, a plan for staying in shape, losing weight. Whatever your goals are for 2022, make sure you have a plan set up and also stick to that plan. What really helps is also having an accountability partner. So if you have friends or someone who's also in the same boat like you are, you can network together and hold each other accountable when it comes to the health aspect. Okay, so you need to make sure that you have a New Year's resolution when it comes to your health. Okay, you want to take your health seriously. Number two is your wealth, which is what my channel is all about, personal finance and wealth creation. You got to make sure that 2022 is a better year than 2021. I know there's a lot that's been going on in 2021 in terms of inflation, in terms of high prices, in terms of supply chain issues, and on and on and on. Okay, you cannot let things that are happening around you affect you financially. Okay, you want to make sure that you're increasing your income. You have plans or resolution to increase your income in 2022. Okay, maybe start a side business if you have something that you're passionate about, or something that you're great at. For instance, if you're good at organizing, you can start a little side business where you're helping people organize their homes, or cleaning their homes, or cleaning cars, or starting a rideshare business. Do something to increase your income for 2022 so that you don't fall victim to what happened in 2021 or 2020. So you want to make sure that you come up with a resolution for your wealth, for your personal finance. If it means, getting a second job or second part-time job so you can pay down debt and get rid of debt. I'm in the process also of paying down my debt. Okay, because unfortunately, most of us are not, taught how to handle our personal finance. So by the time most of us figure out, how to handle our personal finance, or why we need to take our personal finance seriously, sometimes it is too late, and sometimes we feel overwhelmed. So you have to take things in small bites, okay, chunks, okay. If you try to attack everything at once, it might overwhelm you. So you want to make sure you take little bite size and work your way, okay. There are many resources out there when it comes to trying to pay down debt or get out of debt. So make sure you check YouTube. There are lots of resources, or you can check the link down below. I have some resources down below that can help you as well if you're looking to improve your personal finance. And then the third area would be your happiness, okay. Most people expect other people or expect external forces to make them happy, okay. Most people always say, oh, you know, I'm looking for my soulmate, I'm looking for the person that's going to make me happy. No, you are responsible for your own happiness. If you're not happy within yourself, no one else can make you happy, okay. You shouldn't rely on someone or something to make you happy, because that only goes so far. All right. You are responsible for your own happiness, okay. You have to find happiness within yourself, okay, not with stuff or not with people. I mean, if happiness was readily available in things, then we wouldn't have people committing suicide that are multi-millionaires. We wouldn't have people getting divorced if you found the love of your life, okay. So you have to find happiness within yourself, and then once you find happiness within yourself, then you'll be open to other things, okay. So you want to take your personal happiness or your personal well-being seriously in 2022, because all you have is yourself. I know most people don't want to hear this, but you cannot rely on something or other people to make you happy, okay. You have to find a way to be happy within yourself, to be grounded within yourself, and then things will fall in place. So I want to thank you all for being here. I know this is supposed to be a festive period for most people, and unfortunately for most families, it's a very tough time because they've lost loved ones because of the health situation we're going through. So I just want to, you know, wish everybody a happy new year, and make sure that you set up your resolution, okay. Like I said, it's very critical that you have a plan on how you're going to tackle 2022, because don't forget, most of the things we're going through right now will still flow through into 2022, but it's how you handle the external forces around you that will determine your success, okay. So you can't let external events, okay, affect your mindset and affect you when it comes to your outcome around your health, your wealth, and your happiness, okay. So thank you again for being here, and as usual, if you like my videos, you know exactly what to do. Smash that thumbs up button, and for those that haven't subscribed yet, please make sure you hit that subscribe button and help us grow this channel. All right, so in 2022 I'm going to have more videos surrounding my process of acquiring my first rental property, okay, which will be another stream of income for me. So I hope you're making plans for yourself as well for 2022, okay. So thank you again for joining me, and as usual, be true to yourself, be true to your goals, and never ever give up. And I'll catch you in my next video coming up shortly. Take care. Bye bye.